What's going on, everyone? We are out here on another beautiful day for snow jump round 2. I added some more snow, reshaped it, made it a little steeper. The driveway is nice and dry, so we have a beautiful run up. Let's send it. Woo! We're getting some kick off this one. Oops. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's getting some air there. Oh, my backyard is a mess right now. It's flooding, wet, sloppy snow. I gotta get some height markers out there so we can tell how high this thing is going, like a high jump. Yesterday we did some awesome front flips. I think we're gonna have to try again. Oh, first try. Let's see if we can get a backflip. It's hard, as I said yesterday, because you don't have that kick since the snow's kind of sloppy. Yeah, we don't have that kick. We need a bigger motor in here. I think later we're gonna have to send it across the water back there. Ramp is smoothed out. Let's hit it. Big front flip. Landed it. Off the edge. Could have been worse. It's incredible how the wheels spinning just keep it going so straight. Let's hit a good front flip again. Ooh. I don't know what that was. Front flip. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. That was good. That was pretty good. All right, let's give another front flip a try.
The beautiful sound of a hinge pin snapping.
Well, not good.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Well, we cracked the suspension arm. Hopefully, that's what broke. Did we snap the actual bolt?